What comes to mind when you hear the words financial independence? For most people, it means having enough money that you no longer have to work, you only work if you want to. But the truth is, financial freedom looks different for everyone. The big question is, do you know where you currently stand financially? And do you have a clear path to where you want to be? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the 7 stages of financial freedom in simple terms. These stages will help you figure out exactly where you are right now and what you need to do next to reach true financial independence. Let's jump right in. Stage 1. Dependency. This is where almost everyone starts, and it's the complete opposite of financial freedom. At this stage, your expenses are higher than your income. You might be relying on family, friends, credit cards, or loans just to get by every month. The good news? This stage is temporary if you take action. Start by getting brutally honest with yourself. Check your credit score, list all your debts, track every expense for a month, and create a basic plan. The goal here is simple. Stop the bleeding and start building awareness. Stage 2. Self-sufficiency. You've reached the point where you can take care of yourself without relying on others. You're paying your own bills and no longer dependent on parents or government assistance. However, you're still living paycheck to paycheck and probably carrying some debt. This stage is also called solvency. You're in control of your finances now, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Your main focus should be increasing your income and getting out of high-interest debt. Stage 3. Stability. This is where things start to feel better. You've finally broken the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. You can now begin building a small safety net. Financial experts recommend starting with at least $1,000 in an emergency fund right away. This small cushion protects you from going back into debt when life throws curveballs, car repairs, medical bills, etc. At this stage, you also start tracking your net worth and setting clear saving goals. Stage 4. Security. Now you're building real stability. At this level, you've paid off most or all of your consumer debt and have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. You can survive a job loss for several months without panicking. Your money is no longer just a safety net. It's starting to become a tool for building wealth. This is when many people begin investing more seriously in retirement accounts, index funds, or other assets. Stage 5. Flexibility. This is where things get exciting. Your investments are now generating enough passive income to cover most or all of your basic living expenses. You may not be able to quit your job completely yet, but you have real options. You could take a year off, travel, start a business, or spend more time with family without worrying about money. This stage gives you freedom of choice, something most people never experience. Stage 6. Financial independence. Congratulations, you've made it. At this stage, your investments generate enough income to cover all of your living expenses for the rest of your life. You can technically retire whenever you want. You no longer need a job to survive. This is what most people mean when they talk about financial independence, retire early, FIRE. The exact amount needed varies from person to person depending on lifestyle and location, but the key is that your money now works for you. Stage 7. Financial abundance. This is the top 1%. You have more money than you'll ever need. You can travel the world, enjoy fine dining, support causes you care about, and still have plenty left over. At this stage, money is no longer a source of stress. It's a tool to create the life you truly want and help others along the way. Financial independence isn't just a destination. It's a journey with clear milestones. The most important step is knowing exactly which stage you're in right now. Once you know that, you can create a realistic plan to move forward. Remember, many people earn good money but never progress past the early stages because they lack a clear roadmap. Don't let that be you. If this video helped you understand where you stand and what to do next, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical money content. Drop a comment below. Which stage do you think you're currently in? Be honest, no judgment here. Financial freedom is possible for anyone willing to be intentional with their money. Start where you are, use what you have, and keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next video.